I'm back. Love it. El hijo de Doña Tere. Well, today, I don't know, I got a box from Firstleaf. I'm going to do an unboxing today. Okay, I don't know what it was heavy. It was heavy. I had to sign because it had to be 21-year-old. Blah, 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 blah. It was FedEx. So, zip, zzz, 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 zzz. This unbox. Always be careful with these. They cut fingers. Ah, no. Black. I'm black. My favorite brand. Under Armour. Under Armour. Let's see what it is. What's next? Okay. Firstleaf. Look at that. See it? Firstleaf. Wow. Nice. Going for gold. Look at that. Wine. Remember, I did some wine back then. I did with Naked Wine. So this is a new guy. I did order. Welcome, you know. The working stuff, you know. Look at that. This is paper. This is recyclable. What's in here is recyclable. Always remember, recycle. This is recyclable material. Okay. Put it in the side. Ooh. Are you ready for this? El hijo de Doña Tere, are you ready for this? Zip. Wow. Piña neon. Look at that. Piña neon. Look at that. Nice. Winter Hill. And this one was what? Tailored Republic. Nice. Petit Syrah. I don't. There's something about wine when they got that. I like the real stuff. You see, this wine I don't like it. This is. No, it's not for me. It's not real wine. Recyclable. Whoa, this looks pretty. Ho. Vintage 2018. Look at this. Wow, that look nice. Sinfandar. This is good wine. Look at that. I like the color of it. Even though it's got 2017. I like the bottle, the color. It's like something you want to drink on St. Patrick's Day. This is beautiful, you know. It's beautiful. Presentation, the lettering. See, St. Patrick's Day, blue is my favorite. Red, I stay a little bit away from red. That's nice. Look at the box. That boxing. Recyclable, please recycle. It's not about the planet, it's just about the waste. Too much waste in the landfill. Oh, look at that. My presentation for Firstleaf. Okay. Here we go. Go to them, firstleaf.com. Okay. They got a good pricing on this. Philip James, CEO and founder. Thank you from Napa, California, not Napa Valley. So it's local. It's from the US. And you know what's the good part of this wine? That you don't. The other day I saw on Father's Day I saw people drinking cognac in a plastic disposable cup, and I was like, "You don't do that. Cognac? You gotta have something like, you know, like James Brown style 0097. You know, for me, drink wine. Remember, Crystal. 9 glasses of wine, because good wine goes in a crystal glass. So you don't put wine in a plastic disposable cup. That's stupid. It is. Wine is wine, and you don't crystal. It's not even glass. Glass. People were asking me the other day, but glass and crystal in Spanish, it's the same thing. No. Glass in Spanish is vidrio. Crystal in Spanish is cristal. Two different things. Vidrio is glass. Crystal es cristal in Spanish. Be kind to earth. Buy crystal. I mean, you clean it, you wash it, you put it away, you reuse it. This don't get stained. I mean, once you clean it up with mild water, I mean, don't use. I use a eco-friendly dishwashing liquid to clean up my crystal. Then I don't use paper towel. I use real towel to dry my dishes and everything. I mean, today this is my unboxing. I mean, I've been working a lot. That's why you see a little bit of mess. I've been working a lot since the last time I did a unboxing, and I was going to do another one, but I didn't do the oven. I said I like to do the wine. I mean, I want to be the wine guy. I want to be the guy that said Zinfandel, you know, you know. People don't know that this has got a reason to touch it like that. You don't serve wine like that. No, you don't do that. You get a nice bottle of wine, put your finger here, and you serve it to somebody. You do this so they could read what you, and then you do this. You do the number, okay? You don't grab it by the neck like it's a goose and you're gonna choke a chicken like I'm gonna kill you. No, you don't grab wine through here. You grab right like this. You bring it up like this and you serve, okay? Well, today this is my unboxing. Always remember, you crystal. John Joe, crystal, not glass. And this is Firstleaf. I'll let you know. I do my review once I taste of this wine. This is for the weekend. Not all of it. I mean, I needed some room because I'm missing out of my rack. I'm missing one in my wine case. I mean, it's supposed to have the 24 bottles. So I think I'm missing like 6 or 7. I like to have it's superstitious thing. You cannot have a rack of wine with a missing bottle. You replace it because if you drank it, you replace it. So, you know, just like those are my 3 most important wine. Oh, I'm gonna do an unboxing of something somebody did for me with that bottle of wine. That's gonna be awesome. I mean, that's gonna, you know. But I think that's about it for today, guys. I think it's 7:40, and nah, I'm not gonna drink today. Not today. Maybe I'll hit some wine on Thursday. I got too much work, so like I said, El Hijo de Ñata is here. This is my wine collection, and until the next time, love it. Bye.